Keeping up with today's agile but complex business workflows consumes time and resources. Without automation, we continue to increase the number of resources as the business demands increase. Pliant makes it possible to quickly develop and deploy IT automation in response to changing demands of complex business processes. IT developers on average write 150 to 200 lines of good code a day. This may or may not include debugging code, which developers hate to write, but operations really need. Instead of writing and rewriting code, let Pliant write it for you. Pliant automation starts with blocks of code built from already ingested publicly available APIs. Pliant has a large selection of vendors' code already built into the blocks. Through the use of low-code building blocks, Pliant helps experienced developers and seasoned IT pros be significantly more efficient in building automation when using the platform. Today's business needs change very quickly, putting a strain on the resources available to make things work the way they're needed. Pliant workflow automation makes the impossible possible. Pliant lets you build sophisticated workflows to automate complex business and IT processes in minutes, not weeks.